Hey everybody, this is Sonia Jones with GIP Financials, your Mr. Miyagi of money, and I'm here again with some news you can use, y'all. So, y'all ready for the question for today's video? All right, here's the question. How many small businesses fail due to cash flow problems? How many small businesses fail due to cash flow problems? If you said 50%, it's higher than that. If you said 60%, it's higher than that. If you said 75%, it's higher than that. 82%, y'all. 82% of businesses fail due to cash flow problems. What I believe is one of the factors that contributes to that is your personal budgeting habits. How you budget and manage your personal finances, without a shadow of doubt, is going to affect how you manage your business finances. So we're going to talk about the best practices for budgeting on today's video. Y'all ready? Go get some pen and paper. Quick. Go get it. Let's talk about 3 best practices for budgeting your business finances. All right? This is part 1 of this series. You ready? Get into it. So, number 1 is be honest with yourself. Y'all, I'm pretty sure everybody that's watching this video has experienced DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, right? Fast food, doesn't have to necessarily be fast food, but just food delivery in general, right? Those fees are eating everybody alive, pun intended, right? So, think about this. If you can't cook, dude, still gotta eat, right? However, consider just picking up your food as opposed to doing the delivery. And think about how much in fees you're saving that can actually be used to do other things, right? For your business, if you're doing team lunches, or if you're out of town and you're ordering food on a business trip, it's those little things that can save you money in the long run, right? So you want to think about those things. Whatever your budget requires for your business to function, be honest. And keep those things in the budget. Those things that don't, and you can make adjustments, do that as well. All right? Be honest with yourself. Second thing, use auto-pay. Auto-pay is your best friend. You do not want to have a negative report on your credit report because you failed to set auto-pay up for a $50 minimum payment. It's not worth it, right? So as soon as you get your credit card, your business credit card, set up that online account and make sure that you set up an auto payment for at least the minimum payment, right? It's going to help you with your cash flow. And then also it's going to cover your bases for your credit report and keep you in good standing. And then as your cash flow gets better, you can add surplus to paying down your credit card. Okay. Third thing is budget based on your payday. CEOs, you have to make sure that you pay yourself. It's definitely a priority. I get it because I've done it myself where I pay my employees before I pay myself because that's just what good CEOs do, right? However, you still have to pay yourself. And again, the cash flow is going to, do its thing, as the months go along. However, if you're able to pay yourself more, make sure that your personal finances reflect how much you're getting paid. If you have to adjust and pay yourself a little less, make sure your house financials, reflect that as well. So, but also keeping in consideration when and how often you're paying yourself. If it's every month, make sure you cover all the expenses for the month for your personal as you're paying yourself. If it's bi-weekly, make sure that you're covering your personal financials, for those 2 weeks that you're paying yourself from your business and so forth. Okay? So be honest with yourself. Use auto pay. and make sure that you are paying yourself and your budgeting based off of how much you're paying yourself to your personal budget. Okay, just as simple as that. It's only 3. All right, on the next video, I'm going to give you 3 more tips for budgeting your business financials. So again, that's all I have for you today. But of course, I'm always going to leave you with a little nugget. If you check the link below in the description, I have a workshop called Payday Budgeting to help you provide some best practices for not only your personal financials, but also your business financials. I'm giving you the blueprint to how I budget my personal household, and I hope that it helps you as you are doing your financial planning and your budgeting as well. So again, y'all, this is Sonia Jones of GIP Financials, your Mr. Miyagi of Money, and I'll see you guys in part 2 of best practices for budgeting. Take care, and as always, get in position.